it's an Ultimate! What? Oh my... Bro, what in the hell is this? Dude, I've never seen anything like this thing. What the heck? Mercedes? No, not Mercedes. It has like a Mercedes logo, but what the heck? Alright guys, I'm back. I'm here with Nathan. He's taking Snapchats for all his girlfriends. But starting it off today with that very awkward, weird clip of that first... Who knows what the heck that car was, but... Nathan, how you doing?
Good.
What is going on with this Audi, bro? Look at the wrap on this thing. Oh my goodness, flip paint wrap. Lowered. Very interesting.
Look at that.
I don't know what's going on with this Tesla, but it has 4G autos and the paint is like completely messed up. Look, what the heck?
It looks like a...
Oh, F355, nice. Bro, check out the Chalk GT3 991.2. Oh my god. Check out the Slam C63, bro. Oh, that's clean. Bro, why is Oscar in the GTR? Bro, why are you guys in the GTR? What? Me and Nathan, what? Give Nathan a ride.
I won't a little bit, yeah.
Okay. Is Cleve with Angel?
No.
Bro, what? He just stole the GTR.
What? This is mine.
Nah.
This is my GTR.
Alright guys, so I don't know what's going on. My brother pulled up in a GTR and now me and Nathan are gonna get in it, so okay.
Clothes on you?
Yeah, I fit back here. Me and Nate dog.
Drive the car.
Yo, look!
Yeah, the whole point is for me to
Look at that thing on that GT3!
I gotta drive the car.
Holy crap! There's a little meat right
Is
there.
it green, red, or what?
Oh my god, look at all those vets. What? I found all the vets.
Yes.
Woo!
Don't turn here, go straight. Right for once. Can't drift the
Watch out. Is it a car?
No, we haven't even been in. Yeah, I don't think they're in.
Ooh, this thing is fast.
I don't know to what extent
Ooh,
this car
this thing's
can turn.
nice and loud, bro. Sponsored by Porsche! Yo! Drivers USA! Oh yeah, and we got cut off by the freaking minivan. From Utah! Stratman! god. Alright. Okay, well, that's one way to do it. Let me put the seat back. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're back on Ocean with Nathan. Dude, that was such a fun freaking ride. What a way to get dropped back off in the R35 GTR. Alright guys, I'm with Cleve in the GTR, dude. And there's a CHP right behind us. It's right there, dude.
Yeah, no, like he's not even trying to pass us.
No. Let's see who it is. Nope.
No, that's not crowded.
Alright boys, we're making a quick pit stop right here for some gas because we're headed to a meet, but before that, we need to make sure we're fueled up because I mean, what's the point of going to a meet if we're not fueled up? No, not full Botantum, bro. The GTR is getting that nice stuff. Wait, a McLaren? Where? That's an Aventador, you crazy asses! Oh my god, that's an Aventador! Whoa, that's an Aventador! Oh my god! That's an Ultimate! What? Oh my god! What?
You gotta send me that.
Oh my god, you can hear that thing all the way over here. Cleve, what's going on with the parking? Got the perpendicular parking.
We're here?
Oh, I think we're here. Oh, look! It's an edition 1 just like Oscar had.
Hey, that's dope.
Oh.
Is it Tyrone?
What do we got? Another GTR,
Another GTR.
couple Ferraris, 720, R8. There's the Ultimate, Spitting Flames. Another R8. Oh, twin turbo R8, baby.
Hey!
Oh. Oh, check out the Edition 1 C63. I miss this thing, man. Listen to this. Oh, please don't hit the GT3, bro. Oh my god. Dude, I miss the Edition 1 so much. Little GT4 right here. Interesting, Miami blue. Cool. Supra, S2K, BMWs, Hellcat. Alright, before we leave, I just had to check out the purple Ultimate, dude. Matte purple paint. This is the car that revved it for us by the gas station, dude. Look at this thing. How sick this is. This is sick. Look at everybody breaking their necks for the GT3, dude. Oh my god, everybody.